In this example, we are asked to solve for x, so I'm going to start by looking at the side of the equation where the x is located. So if I look at this, the x is inside parentheses, and outside of those parentheses we have this fraction 4/5, which is multiplying against those parentheses. Because of that multiplication, we know this is a distribution problem. Oops, sorry about my circle there. And so we are going to take that 4/5 and multiply it times everything inside the parentheses. Now I know that 4/5 is a fraction, and people get really freaked out by fractions. So we're going to start by doing this off to the side here so I can show you how easy this really is. I'm going to take that 4/5 and we're going to multiply it times 35. And I'm going to turn that 35 into a fraction by putting it over 1. So now I have 4 times 35, which is 140, and I have the 5 here from 5 times 1. After that, we need to reduce it, and that reduces to, I believe, 28. So I'm going to start with 28 here, and then we're going to take that 10 from the negative 10x, and we are going to multiply that by the 4/5 as well. And I'm going to put that over 1. So the negative 10 times the 4 gives us negative 40, and the 5 times 1 gives us 5, and negative 40 divided by 5 will be negative 8. So I'm going to subtract 8x, and all of this will equal 60. So now I have my variable x here, and I need to move the constant. The constant is this positive 28. Now, the 28 is being added to the variable, so we need to take care of that first. It is positive, so we can inverse that with a negative to both sides of this equation. And that will leave us with negative 8x equals, let's see, this should be a 32. And last but not least, we are going to inverse this coefficient, which is multiplying on the variable. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide by negative 8 on both sides, and that will leave us with x equals negative 4.